Yeah, the Nyamias. And you need ever to be a mecha one at Tamano, only you are one and you. Now, when I know I did it, or would be on a Trinicatema. Tell the time near Pompey testimony. Maza, I want a Pomino you to Susanna Liz. Last time what you to. I don't know what I'm out for me. I want a pan. Kobusa John Mensa Sapon. Nabusa, you name it. Nabusa Big Ben. And a goodies music. Nabusa Lisaf. Busa Najiko to Busa Dawana Dayomo. Ever since from the world radio good. No, I want a 50 Dutch max. I come still or pay up his own. What's oh well, Ghana Bibia de Mekadi here can see the passage here. Emuye. Na afe so men can check Ghana for you now to say Yema ye bambo, yanka see bambo hono Nsem no enkosu ehia enti. I'll join the security agencies in their new Omodia banner say if you see something say something. Yeah, pa say bibia eni Omanhene tutuye ebo ebra Omanhene mra ebo ebra. Mesra hu ni pekuo bi so omo twahia na omo di nkomo bi a enkoyi baabi biara wo bia no apart from say omo wo bambo won ya no ma Omanhene so bambo eni nipa onso wo Omanhene mo bambo no ehia okese panti mesra so wo have Kenya say so wo baabi bia Omanhene bia no make sure say be abekadi now be a proud Hafonian or be a proud Voltarian, be a proud Mampusinian or whatever. Now after that, no,
be a proud Fantish.
Yeah, Fantishism. You know,
Fantish.
Now if we are Baba Mount, so the place to be a proud Ghanaian.
That's right.
I'm saying I call weekend yeah, but media chain and weekend be also make us say a driver for a TC Kwanso Friday, Saturday, Sunday minimum. So driver for the door now mokaka weekends no more on the tia and I say say ye me party names I went any GM so many part of the door na eshenka is seen to me bound on the Kumasi Accra highway no a lot of accidents cars a cockroaches in Wurem boy bito a jisu case it brings to question ya ma menom ye nuano mo mudi dwa wo kwanchen ade maka ka ya ma menom ye nuano mo mudi dwa wo kwanchen ana nipa nso a ye nam kwanchen and that crowd obi nam ka akwa no ma oh bonus so aben kwa no say didi watem
yeah
but car na e ba no e ya fidie o nam nchen kwa da say na o nam ne kwanso ba o ka o bona ben say on
obi tini fie o o tini dem ka tumi aden
I don't know. The level at which you're indisciplined every facet of our life, too much to say. Yeah, best and all comes back to your local assemblies. They are not working, they are sleeping. Majority of your local assemblies in Nano, or the da. So I say, say, to 2 years, where there is indiscipline. Achieving what you want to achieve in terms of results, no, a problem. Intimacy, say yama a year discipline and kasansu intimi indi imu nya because anyasa, the catcher. Whatever we want to achieve in terms of your economy, in terms of your flooding system, in terms of your education, in terms of whatever, is not achievable. A very, very important. 2. We cannot continue to run away from or shy away from the issue about money crash in this manner. About be our winning or lose biano correlations, especially Miami region, Alpha region. It was very smooth. And then that mentality, delegates consolidation my dream say your cocoa season. Yes, central funds, yes, so say a your cocoa season. I'm going young candy what here.
What's our grown head?
A bedu baby never cared which I feel now.
Position. Wabum say yes.
And I was in Kumasi, what I witnessed in Kumasi, BBB, and I got report from other areas, and so what, especially Eastern region.
Yeah,
the spread of real money. And sometimes you say, who says he can say they pay 2 million? What else can we as delegates because what do you think? No, I give me 5,000, I give me 10,000.
Yeah.
47 constituencies, because almost 40,000 Ghana each. Now we are not saying person or performer. Unfair women perform and unfair from them perform. We have to move away from those times. Now they be a second year to vote. ɛno na ɛmmoa ma ɔman punto ntimi nkɔ so obi kɔnya power nso a ɛsiane sɛ wabɔ kɛnti no ɔno nso no adwene nyinaa sɛ ɔbaa bɛte ne kansa na wadwene ɔman the style of voting is not appreciable and yet anything to write home about, but we have to find a way.
Can we ever do away with monocracy?
Well, we can.
In our politics? Where do we start from?
It starts from the leader. It starts from the leader. If the leader demonstrates that seriousness in fighting corruption and ensuring that Ghana for Juma, a sefata, Enyakatu, a sefata, I'm a fairness, objectivity closely, Juma. Some of this is not come up. It is said the late Sir John was I know the small time in the this was between me and CG. This small boy politicians are more town, your mother. Yeah, sure. So we have to stop complaining.
It's true, you're right.
So those who are complaining about Sir John was an astute lawyer for 40 years. No, I'm not better.
You meet 35, 36-year-old politicians and communicators. These are young people.
The problem of this country is problem if that was even the case in the case of Sir John, what is the country or the nation doing for any chief executive of a forestry commission ultimately abusing the powers or what? What is the state doing now? Parliament has declare assets. Politicians say that
asset declaration
because now we are corrupt. The corrupt system in this country, essentially beneficiaries, Obia person obesis at the status quo. Obia person follow suit. That's why I'm saying that. Shut up. You holier than thou politician and businessman. Shut up. You have corruptly benefited from the system. Shut up. 35 years, politician got down with Transaco. Shut up. Shut up, cry. Shut up, cry. Let's solve that problem that gives people that impunity to be corrupt. Say the special prosecutor and kind making corruption unattractive.
Yeah.
Also, show you who are there for or Transaco. One says so bad, is legal.
Now, yeah.
Now, one can say the issue when you ask a crowd, my clever.
Yeah.
Let's stop that thing. Let's tackle the core challenges we have as a country and just let's stop lamenting and then making political gains out of every situation. We don't solve problems, we solve them politically. It's a necessary job, then they go a papa no be eka. Echinama Kwabena Asante the emeto, nama CJ to the emeto. People enter politics. The mindset per what the delegates have demonstrated is to amass wealth.
Time no.
Charlie on the break, the besia na catcher will say still Ghana chia. There's hope.
And
that's all. And I'm out for some person we are recording in an the new studio or Tema Community 2. Awana Studio X. Yeah. Oh yeah, jingles. Oh yeah, documentaries and all.
DJ Awana.
Yeah.
We be a studio.
Yeah. Studio X.
But on money.
Oh yeah, business and your own so no bomb. I didn't bit my one. Please. Who money dama? Who wait my frank out here? Agree you are free Muzaki. Mapon because
Constantly you are talking to Chief Jerry Forson.
Your Excellency, sorry.
Host of DwasoNsem.
Your Excellency, sorry.
On Adom 106.3.
Your Excellency, sorry.
Constantly, get out of my studio.
Oh wow,
get out of my studio.
No problem.